In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Venmo payment declined. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to update your Venmo app. So here's the steps to update your Venmo app to the latest version. So for Android, tap on the Play Store app. Now tap on your Gmail avatar and select Manage Apps and Devices. Now tap on Updates Available. Now, if Venmo has an update pending, tap the Update button to get started. Now, for iOS devices, launch the App Store app. Now tap on the Apple ID avatar. Now scroll through the apps listed for an update. Now, if Venmo is listed, tap the Update button to install the new version. So the second step we can do is to use a Wi-Fi network instead of mobile data while using Venmo. So mobile data is often slow as compared to a stable Wi-Fi network. So make sure your Android or iOS device is connected to a Wi-Fi network. So the next thing we can do is to check if our bank card is expired. Also update your account information on Venmo. So those are the methods you can do to fix this payment decline problem on Venmo. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.